Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how can you put pop-ups inside your actual e-commerce website. So let's say you want, when the customer actually comes onto the website, he is greeted with a pop-up, and in that pop-up you can have special messages. You can do that using pop-ups. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to settings and I'm going to select pop-up. And then out here I can put in a pop-up image. So let's say I put in a pop-up image from here. Let's say I go into my sample stores details, and let's say I've got this pop-up. And in the pop-up, I want that just on open, somebody should be able to actually get the pop-up when they open the website. You can actually do that when a person scrolls a little down, 10% down into your page, then he gets a pop-up. You need to do it like so. And then when the person clicks on the pop-up, then what is he greeted with, or where does he go to? Let's say we want that the person should go to the contact page. Then we'll put this URL. Once we do this, and if I go back and I come down, as you can see that this pop-up starts appearing. And if a person clicks on this pop-up, they go directly to the contact page. So this is how you actually configure a pop-up in the e-commerce website. Thank you.